Hello, how are you? My name is Jamie Andrea Pinzon Jimenez. I am studying business administration. Men have not found a healthy balance between the way they want, caring for the environment and the equitable distribution of wealth among the population. Different needs arise more and more: consumerism, technological advance arise, and with this pollution, scarcity of resources, and of course inequality. Global warming increases every year due to the green gases effect causing solar radiation, deforestation, combustion, and melting of poles. We could reach an environment collapse. All this happens since waste is generated that cannot be eliminated. It is necessary for men to make a change as soon as possible to his life habits, thus contributing to the reductions of the impact, lightening life on Earth a little more. On the other hand, the United Nations must begin to monitor, control, and financially support those countries that generate the most pollution. These countries are those that developing. For this reason, they polluted more. Facilitate resources for the projects that arise, like those of renewable energies, sustainable transport, and energy efficiencies. It should also create a system of fines or certain penalties for those who not commit to change that generates improvement and protection of the environment. It should also ban the use of toxic chemicals to countries, both those that manufacture them and those that use them. It depends on everyone whether the time remaining for the earth is prolonged or shortened. Thanks. Bye bye.